Behind the scenes, there are murmurs of change coming from Tesla's manufacturing sites, where difficulties have caused a drop in car deliveries. Possibly a setback, but only a lull in a magnificent symphony. What's taking place is with an incredible 2 million Cybertruck back orders. Tesla is set to ascend into uncharted territory. Tesla has the battlefield down for pickup trucks. When the gauntlet is hurled, contestants shudder as they realize how difficult the task ahead will be as the course unfolds. Tesla is indicating another leg of strong growth with its unwavering focus on the battery storage industry. In this worldview, the options are as boundless as the sky. Stay tuned as we delve into Tesla's mysterious future journey. Like, subscribe, and press that alert ring. Greetings and welcome to Tesla Insights. For a brief period, this video immersed us in the world of Tesla's electric vehicles. In the third quarter of 2023, the company's factories were bustling with activity as they skillfully crafted 430,000 vehicles. Last quarter, 479,000 Teslas were born, while 466,000 found new homes. You might wonder why the drop occurred, and the answer is that during their Q2 2023 earnings call, the company mentioned that they were taking a short break to improve their production facilities. Yes, despite that little pause, Tesla delivered more cars than they could have produced in Q3 2023. The takeaway, dear reader, is that the demand for Teslas hasn't decreased at all. Analysts anticipate that Tesla will report Q3 2023 financial results on October 21, 2023, with revenues of approximately $25.9 billion and earnings per share of 71. Tesla's financial performance in Q3 2023 was closely watched by investors as the company faced several challenges, including the ongoing global chip shortage, supply chain disruptions, and rising costs. However, Tesla is also benefiting from strong demand for its electric vehicles, and the company has been able to increase production capacity in recent months. It remains to be seen whether Tesla will be able to meet or beat analyst expectations for Q3 2023. However, the company is well positioned to continue to grow its business in the long term, judging by the number of Teslas cruising out during the quarter. We have a hunch that the actual results might just sneak below these top and bottom estimates yet. While the spotlight often shines on their cars, don't forget their energy storage stage act. It's likely to offset some of that impact. Margins, we're glad you asked. Even with milder revenues, our projections hint at plumper gross margins thanks to factors like the pricier Model Y, falling commodity prices, more hands-off assembly lines, and depreciation. However, that coin has a flip side as Tesla amps up production of the energy-storing Megapack and the futuristic Cybertruck, together with higher investments in artificial intelligence, will boost profit. Margins may somewhat contract as a result. This quarter's earnings per share may slightly decline from the previous one, but they will still be far higher than they were last year. The plot of Tesla is still the same, and we're sticking to our $1,492 price per share, which was determined using a 10-year financial prediction. The mathematicians among you will appreciate how reliable our model is. Profit margins of 10%, revenue growth of 50% over a 10-year period, and other minute details that fly by from the world of Teslas to the tough world of pickups. Let's change gears, please. The first Cybertruck is rolling off the manufacturing line, and rumor of launch events is circulating the streets, indicating that the much-awaited debut of the Cybertruck is rapidly approaching. Consider it. Pickup trucks are a mainstay, making up a staggering 20% of the U.S. auto market. Tesla's showroom needed this large piece of the puzzle, but that piece is no longer needed because the excitement surrounding the unveiling of the Cybertrucks has us all on the edge of our seats, taking in the pickup truck arena's wider landscape. America's best-selling vehicle, the Ford FS Series pickups, are a timeless representation of the country's power and adaptability. The General Motors Chevrolet Silverado is a strong competitor in the fierce competition for truck aficionados' affections as it enters the electric revolution in this tough field. Ford creates a powerful impression with the F-150 Lightning, a vehicle with an amazing 320-mile range that is meant to continue on the legendary FS Series tradition into a sustainable future. With a strong 7,700 lb towing capability, this vehicle is not just environmentally friendly but also a potent workhorse, and all of this comes at an incredibly affordable starting price. It's ready to travel far and wide. Commencing at a mere $50,000, Chevrolet's Silverado EV is poised to challenge the competition in the electrified battlefield. With a 400-mile range on a single charge, it promises to be a formidable vehicle. However, its remarkable 10,000-pound towing capacity is what really sets it apart, making it a formidable force in the world of electric trucks. With a starting price of $52,000, it is a competitive option in this expanding sector. With that said, let's move on to the much-awaited Tesla Cybertruck. This cutting-edge, let's not get ahead of ourselves. The electric and conventional fuel-fed versions of Ford and Chevy trucks are locked in the same arena as the Cybertruck, challenging its dominance and pushing the boundaries of innovation in this electrified showdown. The stage is set for an epic battle between the legacy of classic American trucks and the cutting-edge prowess of electric power. The Marvel boasts an epic 500-mile range, setting a new standard for electric truck travel. The automotive world is witnessing an electrifying transformation, and the future of pickup trucks has never looked more exciting. With the Cybertruck's jaw-dropping specs, we predict it will be the talk of the driveway, but be warned, demand may rise faster than Tesla can produce these bad boys due to their intricate design and production details. As the buzz about the Cybertruck grows, we expect Tesla to increase production. Despite its distinctive, almost XTR appearance, which some claim lacks, let's make a bold prediction in order to bridge the gap between supply and demand. While it might seem like we're playing the same old tune, hear us out. The Cybertruck is to the pickup world what the iPhone was to mobile phones. Remember the wave of change the iPhone brought? It wasn't just a phone, it was a revolution. Similarly, the Cybertruck, with its game-changing features, is poised to redefine the pickup experience. Universal Allure is betting that the Cybertruck sales will defy expectations. Thrills the sales chart going forward. The United Auto Workers have now made a stand, but here's the catch: it might not be the miracle cure. Imagine the production lines of industry giants like Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis grinding to a halt. While many would hastily bet that such a disruption would be a blessing for Tesla, we're here to put a stop to that thought. Even if these automotive behemoths do feel the pinch from the UAW double strike, they're more likely to absorb the hit of increased labor costs rather than pass it on to consumers. Why? Well, with the car industry raking in the big bucks, these titans aren't going to let a labor cost of 4%, 5% per vehicle run them off the road. Just look at F&GM forecasting a whopping $110.12 billion and $931.07 billion respectively for 2023. Now let's add another layer. It's not as simple as one player losing and another winning before things ESC. Although UAL's initial request appeared to be well-founded, such a large pay hike would force automakers to produce more robots than people in the future. What can be learned from this? In the short term, the UW stand might hurt GM and STL's profit margins, but in the long run, these companies might embrace automation even more aggressively, defying popular belief. Therefore, this might not mean an absolute victory for Tesla. The car chessboard is quite large, and each move has an effect. The good news continues coming. Have you heard of the Inflation Reduction Act? This green energy promoting behemoth, with a whopping $400 billion in funding, appears to be perfectly aligned with Tesla's mission to propel the world toward renewable energy. The investment tax credit has made Tesla's electric automobiles even more affordable. This tax benefit not only makes Tesla's remarkable EVs not only make sustainable transportation solutions more affordable, but also there are more reasons to celebrate than only the financial gain that makes Tesla's electric cars more accessible and encourages more people to join the green revolution. Where are those that you see? In 10 years, we will be dependent on your opinions and insights, so please feel free to leave comments and share your ideas. If you have enjoyed this tour through Tesla's world and would like to receive updates on all things Tesla Insights, please hit the like button and subscribe for more thrilling content. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next videos.